Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Dragon here again. I know, another face vlog, no bike. It's fucking freezing. It's about 20 to 8 in the morning. I'm just up before I go to work, start work from home, but I got a cool little box here that I wanted to show you guys. So I said that I'd keep you guys, also I'm in a different garage and it's just messy. um, I said to you guys that I'll keep you in the loop of what's happening with the bike and everything. So basically, Ireland's in a complete lockdown with this whole COVID-19. All non-essential businesses are closed, so that includes my mechanic for the bike. So the bike's on delay again with all the parts. Basically, all the parts to make it roadworthy are with my mechanic. So it just, once he kind of opens and can start working, it'll be done. It's not going to take long. But it's just another snag, another delay. Basically though, what I have here is I bought me some carbon fiber pieces to fix the bike. So I'm going to open these for you. And yeah, let's get into it. So I don't actually have a lot. I have two side panels, side fairings, and I have there's like two little panels that go up beside the windscreen. I have them as well. So I bought these from the Carbon King. Go check him out. He's actually got loads of stuff, but I want to say thanks to Paul for sorting me out with these. I contacted him and he gave me a little bit off. So when I put these on the bike, I want to see if I can get something for you guys. Hopefully he does. That would be sweet. But I'm guessing these are the pieces for the windscreen and they look like the fairing pieces. Okay, so let me actually just take the tape off and then I'll open them. And very, very excited because carbon is sexy. So yeah, let me just take this out of the packaging. Okay, so I have all the tape off. After I'm going to explain a bit more of what's happening with the bike and my thought, but let's just show you this. So we're going to start with the side fairing. I haven't actually looked at it yet. All for the camera. Oh yes, oh, that's just fucking beautiful. That is so nice. I think it's a gloss carbon twirl. Oh yeah, that's fucking beautiful. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. Okay, let's open the other one. Let me just stick this on the ground. And there's the other side. I think this might be the left and that one might be the right. But again, that's just, it's going to look so nice. So if you've seen the pictures of the damage of the bike, you'll know the right hand side fairing was pretty much destroyed. A whole, say, right hand side fairing from Yamaha is €250. The two of these from the Carbon King were I think like 125, so like really, really cheap. So you know, sometimes it's worth getting the carbon. Carbon also looks just gorgeous. Okay, these are the fairings for the screen. Oh yeah, have to say that carbon, that weave is just really, really, really nice. Sometimes when you get like pieces like this that are curved, you get an odd kind of like distortion on the kind of cheaper stuff. You know, this is quite nice. Okay, and then last piece, you know what it's gonna look like? It's gonna look like the other piece, but backwards. God damn, I love carbon. That's so fucking nice. Okay, and then I think that is the left and that's the right. Okay, so there's all the carbon. It's not an install, it's just opening. As I said, I don't actually have the bike, so that looks fucking so nice. Let's pick one of these up. Look at that. Oh yeah, beautiful. Again, big thanks to the Carbon King. Paul was the name. He's the owner of the Carbon King. I emailed him and he looked after me. Just said that I'm going to be buying a few bits. So this is the first of the bits that I need to be replaced. So all I was thinking of doing now is, because my mechanic is closed, I might try get the other panels off him. And I was thinking about wrapping them. just grey. So some of the panels are actually quite just scratched really bad, and it's going to be quite expensive to replace. So if I buy €60, maybe €80 worth of wrap, I can temporarily fix it. And of course, if you're doing a video on it, because you have to do a video on it. But yeah, like let me know what you guys think. Think the wrapping could be fun. It could be something interesting to do, but the carbon obviously is going to have to wait until I get the bike back to put on, and I'm so excited to put that on the bike. But yeah, look, that was just a little update of what's happening with the bike, some bits that I'm getting, and then also I want to maybe potentially wrap some stuff on the bike, if you guys are interested in that. But I'm not going to let this go any longer. I'm tired, have to go get my coffee and start work. Go down to my Instagram if you want to see some shots. Anytime I actually do something like this, Instagram's my first place to go to. So head over there. And also, if you guys are still with me, if you want stickers, go over to the Etsy store. I'm not restricted with postage, so if you want to get stickers and help me out a little bit, by all means go down to the description and check them out for me. Look guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Again, big thanks to Carbon King for looking after me with some of the carbon stuff. But look, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you on the next video.